every opportunity to draw the attention of the state to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the apparent injustice in the prosecution of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The judge is Yoruba. The prosecution team, all of them are Yoruba. The Attorney General is Yoruba. Mr. President is Yoruba. It appears that, for some elements within the Yoruba, community are looking at this as a new civil war between the Yoruba and the Igbos. It shouldn't be like that.
Yeah, but you're the one who's saying that.
No, but it's the reality.
No. Well, I mean,
it is the reality, Charles.
It depends on how you interpret.
No. But it is the reality.
Right.
Who is superintending the prosecution of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? It's a Yoruba judge. It's not an Hausa judge.
You're saying that there is.
Who is the prosecutor? It's a Yoruba prosecutor. Who are the prosecution team? Yoruba.
So you're saying that
the Attorney General is Yoruba.
Are you saying there is a conspiracy?
Absolutely.
Or there is the perception of a conspiracy? Which one are you talking about?
If you look at the way it is going, and they are resilient and adamant in seeing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not given adequate provisions of time, adequate facilities, to ensure that he has adequate provisions for his defense. So if you see how it is going, one may have the perception that it's a conspiracy of a few Yoruba people against the Igbos. So that's the impression that is out there. It's not just me that is talking. I mean, how can you expect somebody? You're saying that, okay, you have ruled so that you cannot go back. Every other thing will be done in presentation of your addresses. And then you have a holistic judgment.
Anyway,
who does that?
Yeah.
There are jurisdictional issues that needs to be.
Well, I'm not holding brief,
and I'm not a lawyer, so I'm not holding brief.
But I'm not holding brief for anybody.
But
I don't think it's fair to make an allegation against a set of people when you haven't got a scintilla of evidence to support the point that you're making. Charles,
I just gave you an instance. Excuse me, sir. I just gave you an instance.
Speculative.
The judge is Yoruba. The judge is Yoruba.
It's not fair.
Well, it's not fair for the injustice that is being meted on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Anyway, let me